Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. In standard 6 and 7, you learnt how to frame questions, how to ask questions, and questions starting from WH, which, where, when, etc. So let me ask you some questions. There will be multiple choice questions. There will be one question and there will be 3 options in that. After asking questions, I will give you hint. Let's go for the question. The first question is, who is an astronaut? Let me give you a hint. Now let me give you options. Option A, Sania Mirza. Option B, Sachin Tendulkar. Option C, Sunita Williams. Tell me correct answer. The answer is Sunita Williams. Well done. Sunita Williams is an astronaut. Now let's go for the second question. The second question is, who is our father of nation? Let me give you a picture. Here are the options for you. Option A, Swami Vivekananda. Option B, Mahatma Gandhi. Option C, Maharana Pratap. Yes, Ajay, you are right. Our father of nation is Mahatma Gandhi. It's good. Third question is, I am an animal who lives in water. I can't live without water. Who am I? Children, here is the hint. And the options are A, cow, B, dog, C, fish. Yes, Khushali, you are absolutely correct. It is fish. Good. Fish lives in water and can't live without water. So Khushali, you are right. Now, children, you are giving answers so fast. You all are clever. I have never seen children like you. So let's go for the fourth question. Question 4 is, I have a big trunk. I have big ears. Tell me, who am I? So here is the picture. Wow, such a wonderful picture. A big animal is in front of you. See the big ears, short tail, big legs, and a moving trunk. Let us see the options. Option A is a lion, B, a tiger, C, an elephant. Yes, children, I know this one is very easy. So you all will give answer. So answer is elephant. Yes, it is an elephant with big trunk, big ears. So good. Now let's go for the fifth question. Question 5 is, I have a ring but no finger. What am I? Here is the picture. See the picture. How funny it is. Now let's have options. Option A is tape recorder. Option B is telephone. And option C is violin. Now this question is somehow difficult. But I know you all are clever. The correct answer is telephone. Telephone rings, but it doesn't wear ring in a finger. So right answer is telephone. So you all answered 6 questions very nicely. So children, I hope you understood. Riddles are a type of questions only, but they are twisted and then they are asked. Same way, some riddles are given in activity 3, which is on page number 4. So let's solve riddles, and you need not to worry in that also. In each riddle, I will give you options, and it will be very easy for you to answer. So let's go for riddles. Riddle A of activity 3 is, it begins just where it ends, and your lovely house, there it stands. What is it? આ riddle A છે, એના ઓપ્શન્સમાં જે હિન્ટ આપી છે એ જમ્બલ લેટર છે, બટ તમારા માટે હું બીજા ઓપ્શન્સ આપું છું. જમ્બલ લેટરના મદદથી તમે વિચારો કે જે ઓપ્શન્સ આવશે એમાંથી કયો જવાબ આવશે. લેટ મી ગીવ યુ ઓપ્શન્સ. ઓપ્શન A is road, option B is door, and option C is river. So children, think, what begins just where it ends, and your lovely house, there it stands? Is it door, is it river, or is it road? હવે જુઓ મિત્રો, આ ઓપ્શન સાથેની રિડલ્સમાં તમે જમ્બલ લેટર પણ જુઓ અને નીચે આપેલા ઓપ્શન્સ પણ જુઓ. વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ ધ હિન્ટ એન્ડ પિક્ચર્સ you try to get the answer. Yes, you are right. Answer is road. So children, I am giving you time. You write down answer in the textbook. Let's see next riddle. Riddle B is, no tongue, no ear, I can speak and sing and hear. Who am I? I repeat. No tongue, no ear, I can speak and sing and hear. Who am I? Hint is given. I am giving you other hints. First one is carpenter, second one is computer, third one is tape recorder. Dear children, observe hint which is given in blue color and observe other 3 hints which are given with the pictures. Answer is tape recorder. જુઓ મિત્રો, આ riddleમાં કમ્પ્યુટર પણ જવાબ આવી શકતો હતો, પરંતુ ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં જે જમ્બલ લેટર્સની હિન્ટ આપેલી છે એ મુજબ answer is tape recorder. Tape recorder has no tongue, no ear. Tape recorder can speak and sing and also hear. You know, we record sometime our voice in tape recorder too. I think you may not have recorded, but I recorded because I am older than you. So friends, you write down answer. Here it is given. Next riddle is, it runs night and day but never runs away. What is it? I repeat, it runs night and day but never runs away. What is it? Jumble letter hint is CCKOL. Now let us have options. First option is lock, second is clock, third is cock. જુઓ મિત્રો, ફરી તમે જમ્બલ લેટરની હિન્ટ અને નીચે આપેલા ઓપ્શન્સની હિન્ટ ને કમ્પેર કરો. વિચારો, what runs night and day but never runs away? કોક, લોક કે ક્લોક? શું હોઈ શકે? યસ, તમે સાચી દિશા તરફ જઈ રહ્યા છો. આન્સર ઇઝ ક્લોક. Clock runs night and day, but never runs away. Lock cannot run, and cock may run. So answer is clock. C. Write down answer in riddle C. And the last riddle is, this house on wheels runs a race. It takes people from place to place. What is this? I repeat. This house on wheels runs a race. It takes people from place to place. What is this? Jumble letter is RAITN. આ જમ્બલ લેટરના મદદથી તમે વિચારો કે જે ઓપ્શન્સ આવશે એમાંથી કયો જવાબ આવશે. લેટ મી ગીવ યુ ઓપ્શન્સ. ફર્સ્ટ ઇઝ બ્રેઇન, સેકન્ડ ઇઝ ટ્રેન, થર્ડ ઇઝ ક્રેન. થિંક. હાઉસ ઓન વ્હીલ્સ રન્સ અ રેસ. It takes people from place to place. What should it be? Brain, train or crane? So, the correct answer is train. Well done, children. You all are going very fast, very speedily, and even giving right answers. This house on wheels runs a race. It takes people from place to place. We use train to go here and there. We don't use crane to go here and there. Yes, of course, we use brain. But brain we use for thinking. And brain does not have wheels. Now you write down answer. Well, children, answer of all riddles is on the screen. You read it and write it carefully. So children, that's all. We completed activity 3.